Okay, Jonathan's already giggling because it's gonna be really spicy.
Yeah, that's already making me like cough.
What are we making?
I bet that juice is pretty fun.
You gonna put it in your eyeball?
Mm-hmm. Can I smell it?
So, what did you want me to grow Carolina Reapers for?
I have no idea. It's funny you to grow them.
Yeah, so we decided to make Carolina Reaper salsa. And I found a recipe, and it says to remove the ribs and the seeds. And I don't want to touch the pepper.
I've already eaten some of the peppers, though.
You tasted the pepper. So, yeah. It also says that we should only use half of one, but we're gonna full send it.
Full send.
And use an entire Carolina Reaper.
It smells so chemically.
Yeah, they don't smell good.
It tastes fine.
The heat is fine, but they don't smell good. Also, Jonathan got a haircut by yours truly. I'm just a person of many talents, apparently.
I don't know how much. How do we get this bottom piece out? You need a scalpel. Should I just cut it into bits?
Yeah. I'm so nervous. Yeah, just do that. You're not going to be able to touch your face for like days.
It's fine.
I tried to tell him to wear gloves, but...
It's fine. It'll burn good.
No, it won't burn good.
Mm-hmm.
Also, the recipe I found says that we only needed 2 tomatoes, and I did not feel like that was enough tomatoes, so I used like 8. They're in the oven right now at 350. Yeah, no, that's probably good. It's not a good smell.
Not the worst.
It's crazy how blue that cutting board is on, like, the video. It's, like, really blue.
So blue.
In real life, it's not that blue.
I say I love the red color.
Yeah, I mean the cutting board. It's very blue.
What am I talking about?
Okay, we'll be back when Jonathan's done.
I know, I'm slow.
Yeah, but we'll be back. Okay, so I dared Jonathan to eat one of the seeds, and he's like, "Oh, I'll do it." So Jonathan's gonna do
I was
it
gonna put it in my tongue.
and bite. That's spicy.
Just like the pepper, like it's spicy, but I always thought it would like blow your face off or like you'd like die, but just spicy. It's not like the worst thing in the world.
Is it spicy?
Mm-hmm. I can definitely feel it. Like it's. No, I mean, it's not that bad right now.
I'm not doing it.
Compared to like when I ate the little piece the other day.
Swallow it.
No, I really don't want that coming out the other side. It's not bad.
I'm making Jonathan cut up half an onion. I'm just like fully changing this recipe. I don't even think there was onion in it, but we're gonna put half an onion in it and
get some flavor. And
I'm gonna make Jonathan do it. It's gonna get blended, so you don't have to like
chop it up.
No.
Get it blended. Will it blend?
Will it blend with the blend tech?
Yeah, and the iPhone.
There's Calvin looking out at the neighbors. Then we got Molly just being an elderly dog. And we got Mumford somewhere.
Is this good enough or should I take that off?
Take that off.
This is why I ask questions.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jonathan's not really
no.
the kitchen person. No. Like you can cook, but like
yeah. I have to ask the questions. Or look stuff up. Mm.
Yeah, that's good.
Chunky it up.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna get blended, so.
The pepper really isn't that hot.
I think it would be hot if you like ate a whole piece of that.
I wasted it.
I think it would be.
I don't think so. Really, it's just not.
This is truly just a video about Jonathan making salsa.
Pretty much.
A big old mess.
Mm-hmm.
I put these tomatoes in the oven at 350 for like 30 minutes to like get the skins off, and it's still not really.
Well, these are not.
They're not garden tomatoes. Well, they might be garden tomatoes. I don't know. We got them from a friend. So.
And they're fine. As soon as they cool down. I was just trying to do it, too fast.
Yeah, so basically we're just taking the skins off and putting it in the blender. And I think I used like 8 tomatoes. Okay, now put that stuff in. That's just our onion and the Carolina Reaper. We did the entire pepper. Now we're going to do a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. The recipe I saw did call for apple cider vinegar, and I'm out of that. So, we're using white vinegar. Okay, so this is the garlic powder that I made. So I'm just going to dump in some garlic powder till I feel like it's good. Seems probably good. Yeah, sure. Okay, and then the recipe calls for a teaspoon of ground cumin. Again, we're not canning this. It's just my own thing. And then we gotta grab the salt.
What salt?
That seems good. And then it calls for like a teaspoon of salt. Again, we're just gonna sprinkle some in.
What's in it?
Yeah.
Is that good? Or blend it more?
That's probably good. Okay, Jonathan's already giggling because it's gonna be really spicy.
Yeah, that's already making me like cough.
That's probably enough. I'm nervous. I'm not even tasting it yet.
Definitely hot.
Is it really spicy? Is it like one of the more spicy salsa
The weird thing about this pepper is it takes about like 2 minutes to really develop its like hotness. So I really don't know yet, but you can definitely tell it's hot.
That's what it looks like. And it smells like Carolina Reaper.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a chip.
You can go. It's better cold.
Well, we'll put it in the fridge.
I'll tell you in like 2 minutes.
It's definitely spicy, but it's very good, I think. Would you recommend this to anybody that likes spicy peppers?
If you like spicy peppers. I guess the one thing unique about this pepper is to me, it burns the back of my throat versus anywhere else.
Are you gonna hiccup?
I already did hiccup.
Jonathan hiccups when he eats really spicy things. Okay. Oh no, chip down. Yeah, but it's tolerable.
Yeah.
Like
I said, in like 2 minutes we'll like really know. Hiccup.
All right. What?
It's not even that hot.
No. Jonathan hiccups with like jalapenos.
Yeah.
So I don't know, it's been 2 minutes and it's definitely spicy. But it's tolerable. It's good, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I need it. I'll definitely eat it, especially when it's cold.
Don't mind our messy kitchen. We got a lot going on. Yeah, we're gonna put it in the fridge, but it's definitely good. I would 100% recommend my plant in the sink. No, I would 100% recommend this if you like spicy, because it's good. I mean, it's obviously not so spicy that like we can't eat it, because we've both been like eating it. So anyway, on that note, I guess we'll see you later. We'll see you on the next video. Gonna smoke a pulled pork, make some pulled pork. This is Calvin's new toy. Okay, so bye.
Bye.